A warm hello to all of you friends. So, how's your quarantine going on? Do you find yourself asking a question? Do you have a dialogue in between you that what you really are and what you really want to be in life? Do you find a difference between what you are at present today and what you want to be in your future tomorrow, or what you want to really be, achieve in your dreams, what you always felt for yourself? Have you ever realized that there's a vast difference in it? So what are the reasons why won't you be able to achieve the things that you wanted in life? Why are you among the 95% of the mediocre mentality people who are not able to achieve all of the things that they want in all the 12 areas and aspects of their life? And how can you come into the first 5% of the extraordinary talented people who are really successful and who don't have this dialogue of what they are today and what they wish to be tomorrow? Because for them, what they wish, they are today. तो क्या आपके मन का ये डायलॉग आपको रोकना है? क्या आपको जानना है वो चीजें जो जरूरी है आपको उन 5% लोगों में जाने के लिए जो एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी है, जो लाइफ में ये उनको गम नहीं है कि मैं जो बनना चाहता हूँ वो मैं आज बन चुका हूँ? क्या आपको 1 साल बाद, 2 साल बाद ये डायलॉग खुद के साथ जो है वो चेंज करना चाहते हैं? डू यू रियली फील एंड फाइंड द नीड टू चेंज दिस डायलॉग, what I wish to be and what I really am today? So let's start the process. I'll post a video on every Monday and every Thursday for you friends, especially for you if you really want to shift into the 5% of the extraordinary people around you. If you really wish to change this dialogue, of course with dedicated efforts and consistent efforts. कोई भी चीज आपको तुरंत या ओवरनाइट नहीं मिलती, 1 महीने में, 1 साल में नहीं. उसके लिए आपको हर रोज कंसिस्टेंटली एवरी डे यू हैव टू पुट इन एन एफर्ट, एंड व्हेन यू पुट इन एन एफर्ट, दैट्स वेयर द चेंज अकर्स. That's where your transformation into life will occur. That's where you will be transformed and moved into the first 5% of the extraordinary people around you. And I hope and wish this knowledge serves you very well in it. So let's get started friends. On every Monday and every Thursday you can watch me on my YouTube channel. Do subscribe, share these videos and send them to the maximum people and friends around you so that even they benefit and they lift up in their lives, coming in the first 5% of the extraordinary people. So let's get started. So today's first 5% का जो फंडा है उसमें एक हम ऐड करेंगे आज. So let's get started friends. I hope you're sitting with a pen and paper and let's go on a journey towards self-exploration, a journey of self-investigation, a journey to reach the self-mastery, to attain that self-mastery and get into the rock-solid foundation of first 5% of the people. But let me remind you and let me warn you, the words by Robin Sharma, all change is hard at first. It's messy in the middle, but it's gorgeous at the end. So keep up with your journey. Whether it becomes hard in the beginning, I'm there for you with various hacks next Thursday. Whether the journey gets messy in the middle, you can post your queries and questions to me and I'll try to answer them. And when the gorgeous end comes, do not forget to subscribe my channel again and pass it on to many other people around you. And put a post to me when your journey gets gorgeous. So let's get started friends. Please note down the 4 zones which are the starting point of your process of self-transformation today. So what are these 4 zones? The 4 zones which are important for you to know is, the first zone is comfort zone. The second zone is the fear zone. The third zone is the learning zone. And the fourth zone is the growth zone. So these are the 4 zones you have to understand. when you are in your comfort zone, you have all kinds of various excuses कि यार मेरी लाइफ तो बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, बस काम अच्छे से चल रहा है, घर पे है, बीवी बच्चे हैं अच्छे, मेरी नौकरी अच्छे चल रही है, कमा अच्छा रहा हूँ, टूर कर रहा हूँ, और चेंज करने की क्या ज़रूरत है मुझे. So no, this is your comfort zone. And if you have this question कि what I want to be, what I wish to be and what I am today, if there's a difference, then friends, you have to step out of your comfort zone. Because let me remind you, if you don't yourself step out of your comfort zone, life will bring on sufferings one after the other. And then life will keep knocking your door until and unless you are awakened with all kinds of problems. आप बोलते हो ना मेरे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों आती है, मेरे लाइफ में ये चेंज क्यों आया, मैं बीमार क्यों पड़ा, मेरा एक्सीडेंट क्यों हुआ, मेरे बेटे का ऐसा क्यों हुआ, मेरे घर में ऐसा क्यों हुआ, मेरे बिजनेस में अगर कुछ होता है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा, दैट इज गॉड नॉकिंग ऑन योर डोर. नॉक नॉक, यू आर इन योर कंफर्ट जोन एंड यू हैव टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ इट. So before God knocks, you step out of your comfort zone. Take this diary, do your self-evaluation and ask yourself certain questions. So comfort zone. When you step out of this comfort zone, friends, the first zone that you will encounter is the fear zone. Don't be afraid, because fear is just a process of our primitive minds. As like say for example, in the old eras, when our ancestors were living in jungles, when they used to go for hunting, or when they used to live in the jungles and wild animals used to attack them. So what was the first response? It was the fright response. That is a very primitive response which our mind gives, which our brain gives. It is the primitive brain that gives this flight or fright response. So don't be afraid, because change is always good. And remember, words by Robin Sharma, change is not so good in the beginning. So please enter the fear zone. It's okay if you enter. In the fear zone, you will find too many excuses of your mind and brain. Your mind will keep on saying कि क्या ज़रूरत है ये सब करने की, छोड़ देते हैं. Again, your mind will try to take you in the comfort zone. But just stick to your fear zone. Don't go into the comfort zone. Keep trying. Keep doing things whatever you are doing. When people will start saying some things, then you will be easily affected by people saying if you are in a fear zone. In the fear zone, there is also lack of self-confidence. But if you stick to the fear zone and you don't give up, if you stick to your commitments and you do it every day, even if by chance you miss suppose if you're doing exercise, your weight loss is your agenda, goal for the next month. If you miss your weight loss and you come back into your comfort zone, then it's okay. One day missed is okay, you can start over again. If 2 days, still okay, but not on the third day. You have to push yourself out of your comfort zone and let the fear zone be there, but still keep on doing your exercises. Keep on with your commitments. As you stay stable on the fear zone, suppose if you even stick to your fear zone for 11 days, you can move ahead into the learning zone. So learning zone is very nice. What comes in the learning zone? In the learning zone, your fear will disappear first of all. What people say, you won't be affected by it, because then you will be self-motivated and committed. You don't need self-control, or you don't need to keep your focus, but the commitment will come from your self-motivation itself. So whatever people say, it won't affect you. In the learning zone, you'll be in the process of learning newer skills, and those newer skills will again keep you motivated. So then this gets more exciting for you to continue with your commitments. Again, a new thing will happen in the learning zone is that you'll be ready to deal with the challenges and the problems, because you have overcome with your fearful mind. Once you are out of your fearful zone, then you are ready with your prefrontal cortex, which I'll explain to you later on. But the prefrontal cortex will give you courage enough. It will give you various new ideas, new skills to how to deal with the challenges, how to deal with the problems which are coming in your life, or which are coming in the way of your motivation, or which are coming in the way of your commitments. So you can easily move forward. And once you move forward, friends, for 21 days consistently, if you are into your learning zone, believe me, there your growth is there. You will suddenly find yourself in the growth zone. And there are variety of wonderful changes, amazing things which come up your way when you are in your growth zone. So what are these? Are you keen to know? Let's get started. In the growth zone, you will set new goals. You will conquer your dreams. You will live your dreams. You will have a purpose in your life which you will know. You will attain self-mastery over your thoughts, your behaviors, your patterns. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है हमारे साथ कि अरे मुझे इस सिचुएशन में ये बिहेव करना था पर मैं कुछ अलग ही बिहेव करके आ गया क्योंकि मुझे गुस्सा आ गया था, क्योंकि मैं उदास थी, क्योंकि मैं रो रही थी, क्योंकि मैं बोर हो गई थी. बट इन योर growth zone, all these things will vanish because you will have attained a self-mastery. So friends, start your journey from your comfort zone to your fear zone for 11 days, reaching to your learning zone for 21 days, and once you stick to your learning zone, there you are in your growth zone. Always remember, all change is hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, but gorgeous in the end. Words by Robin Sharma. Please do remember, stick to these, take down your notes, and please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.